Before buying a floor jack, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: DNA Motoring Low Profile Black Jack. Let's kick things off with the DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Low Profile Hydraulic Trolley Jack. Priced at $53.19, this jack caught my attention with its impressive 2-ton capacity and low-profile design. If you want a reliable jack for your garage that lifts most cars with ease, this is worth a serious look. That means it's perfect for standard cars and sedans, but not so much for bigger SUVs or trucks. The built-in safety release valve is a nice touch, preventing any overload scenarios that could lead to accidents. Plus, its lightweight design and swivel casters mean you can maneuver it around your garage without breaking a sweat. Now, some users mention that the jack may require a bit of effort to fully lift heavier vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to lift cars, it handles that well enough and won't be a deal breaker for most. Just remember, it's meant for lifting only. A jack stand is necessary for safety. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, reliable jack for everyday car maintenance. Skip this one if you're handling larger vehicles, but at this price, it's a solid value for most car owners. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit of color, the next jack is a similar option, but in blue. Product number 2: DNA Motoring Low Profile Blue Jack. Next up is the DNA Motoring Low Profile Hydraulic Trolley Jack in blue, retailing for $54.99. Just like its black counterpart, this jack has a 2-ton capacity and a lifting range of 5.1 to 13 inches. If you want a stylish yet functional jack, this is worth a serious look. It offers the same speedy lift capability, making it great for garage use. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures stability while the swivel casters allow for easy maneuvering. What's even better is the overload protection feature that keeps you safe while working on your car, a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. However, a few users reported that it could be slightly less effective on certain models that sit lower to the ground. But honestly, if you're primarily using it for regular sedans, you shouldn't have any issues. It's more about knowing your vehicle's specs. This jack is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool that also adds a bit of flair to your garage. Skip this if you're working with larger vehicles, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for just a jack pad to enhance your lifting experience, the next product is a must-have accessory. Product number 3: TONDA Floor Jack Rubber Pad. Now let's talk about the TONDA Floor Jack Rubber Pad, priced at $7.99. This little accessory caught my eye, especially if you're looking to protect your car while lifting it. If you want to avoid damage to your vehicle's frame when using a jack, this is worth a serious look. The slotted design ensures a snug fit against the pinch welds of your car, which helps prevent any bending or scratching. Plus, the anti-slip surface adds extra grip, giving you peace of mind while you work. It can handle cars up to 3 tons, making it versatile for various vehicles. Some folks mention that it might be a bit on the smaller side for larger jacks. But here's the thing, if you're using it with standard-sized jacks, it performs beautifully and is an essential addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for you if you want to protect your vehicle during maintenance. Skip this if you're using an oversized jack, but at this price, it's a great investment for any car owner. Next, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, I've got a great option coming up. Product number 4: Amazon Basic Steel Jack Stands. Up next are the Amazon Basic Steel Jack Auto Stands, priced at $32.39 for a pair. These jack stands are a fantastic safety measure when you're working under your car. If you want peace of mind while doing repairs, this is worth a serious look. With a capacity of 3 tons, they're sturdy and designed to hold your car securely in place. The self-locking ratchet feature means you don't have to worry about any locking keys, which is a nice touch for ease of use. Plus, they meet safety standards so you know you're covered while working. However, some users found them a bit bulky for storage. But honestly, if you prioritize safety while working under your vehicle, this minor inconvenience is easily outweighed by their reliability. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable set of jack stands for regular maintenance. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-portable, but at this price point, you can't go wrong. Now, if you're looking for a complete tire-changing solution, hold tight because the next product is a full kit. Product number 5, Gerdunen Scissor Car Jack Kit. Last on our list is the Gerdunen Scissor Car Jack Tire Changing Kit, available for $29.99. This is an all-in-one emergency kit that grabbed my attention. If you want a compact solution for roadside emergencies, this is worth a serious look. This scissor jack has a lifting capacity of 2 tons and can lift vehicles from 4.33 inches to 15.75 inches. It comes with a complete tire changing kit, including a lug wrench and gloves, making it ideal for anyone who wants to be prepared for flat tires. Some users did mention that the scissor jack can be a bit manual, requiring effort to operate. But here's the thing, for emergency situations, the ease of having a complete kit outweighs this, especially when you're in a bind. This is perfect for you if you need an emergency kit that's compact and effective. Skip this if you're looking for something for regular garage use, but it's definitely a good value for the money. To wrap things up, we've looked at the DNA motoring low-profile jacks in both black and blue, the TONDA rubber pad for protection, the Amazon Basics jack stands for safety, and the Gerdunen Scissor Car Jack Kit for emergencies. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, whether it's style, reliability, or convenience. Choose the one that best fits your needs and happy lifting.